Y'all, guess what I did? Hey, y'all. Welcome back to me first. Welcome back to me, child, because it's been a whole minute since I've been up here. Y'all, life has been happening around these parts. Just want to let y'all know. If this is your first time visiting the channel, welcome to you. And if this is not your first time, welcome back to you as well. And I hope that today you guys get some motivation. As you can see from the video, that we are going to be cleaning my son's room today. We did my daughter's room last time. Now it's time to just clear out things in my son's room. But before we get into that, y'all, let me just let y'all know I did a thing. So the last couple of weeks, it's just been, like I said, a lot going on. And I don't know what made me try it, but baby, it was the best decision I made. I started doing the Walmart Plus. I signed up for the Walmart Plus and I started doing the grocery delivery to the house. Now, I was doing the grocery pickup, so I hadn't even been to the grocery store for real. I ordered the stuff online and run over there and pick it up. But, honey, this delivery is a whole nother level. I'm trying to tell y'all. If you ain't getting your groceries delivered, you might want to try it. At the very least, you should be doing the grocery pickup. Because going to the grocery store, grocery shopping, if that ain't your thing, that is so 2020. Okay, ain't nobody doing that no more. I know I'm not. I done been delivered and set whole free. So I'm excited about that. So that's what you saw me picking up with groceries for the first time. I was excited. Okay, y'all, so now let's get into my son's room. As you can see from all this clutter on the bed, child, he had any and every pair of clothes he done ever purchased. I done ever purchased. His daddy, everybody done purchased. He just don't be throwing stuff away. So I have to clear his stuff out, because if not, it'll stay in there forever and ever. He don't even throw stuff away if he can't fit it anymore. So that's why you'll see me holding the clothes up to him to see if it's something that he can still fit or not. And we're just trying to get rid of old shoes, because he just get new shoes, stack them on top of the old ones. He don't care. He ain't trying to declutter nothing. So that's where I come in to help him get that done. And he's not as bad as my daughter, so I had to keep him around first to see if he could try things on and if it still fit. And then he got all this stuff stacked up in the top of the closet, and he's taller than me. Of course, I had him help me get all that down. So that's what you see here, and you see him now begging for help because he was going through it too. It was a lot of work and it was a lot of bags when we got done with it, but I'm glad we decluttered. Okay, y'all let me know if y'all are like me. Everybody, all the beds have two sets of sheets, right? So that when I take one set off to be washed, I can just quickly replace it with one that's already freshly washed. But with my son's room, I got a favorite pair of sheets, and the sheets that are on his bed now are his favorite pair, which is why you don't see me put on the new set of sheets. I'm actually just going to wash them all in the same day and put them back on the bed, just because I like to see that pattern go. It goes nice with his comforter set. So I do have two sets of sheets for all the kids' rooms. You guys do that also? I actually have it for, well, for our room. We probably got about three or four, just because I change our stuff a lot. But with the kids' sets, they definitely do have two. Y'all let me know if y'all be doing the same thing, or am I doing too much? All right, y'all. So this video was quick and short. And I just wanted to come on and give you guys a little motivation. If you have a child's room that you need to tackle, go ahead and get that done this weekend. And just declutter. Just make your life feel better. I hope that works out for you. So until next time, you guys always know how I feel. Be blessed. Have a great week into the weekend. And always remember to take care of yourself and take care of home. Love ya.